Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at Akcord MFI certified noodle cable for lightning. Let's take a look at this. 1 meter long, that's 3.3 feet, give or take an inch, and this is pink. I mean to tell you, check that out. That will really go with Cindy's roller skate outfit. The texture on this feels kind of sort of like a rubber band, sort of, kind of, not really. Oh, come on, focus. Well, at any rate, that is a high quality fixture. Of course, it's MFI certified. That means that it has to meet certain specifications for the level of quality and the level of service that the consumer receives after the sale. Akcord politely and gladly gives you a 2-year warranty on this cable. And that is really pink. There's that pink case that she's got on her phone. That will just go right with it. It kind of looks like the same shade of pink. It'll go nicely. Get that back in there. Get back in there. Akcord, 1 meter, pink, USB2 to an MFI certified lightning. That sure is pink. You know, I don't think I've seen one with this particular type of cabling. I don't think it's, you know, that's the FPE, just the better. It has no stretch to it, so you can't screw up the shielding and the carrier wires. This will handle 2.4 amps easily. Comes with book warranty. There you go. By Akcord. There we go. Akcord, aka Cord, Kordak, Droka. I don't know. I'm split between Akcord and Akcord. Better get one before they sell out. You know somebody that likes pink? They have a pink phone. That is the pink to have. There we go. Very nice.